Ever peeked behind a closed door wondering what's hidden inside? That's kinda like a computer network. Today we're learning a secret trick to see what's hidden on a network using a powerful tool called Nmap. It's like a flashlight for digital world, helping you find things others might wanna keep hidden. But remember, just like picking other windows is wrong, scanning other network without permission isn't cool either. So let's play it safe and learn how Nmap works the right way. So buckle up because we're about to explore the hidden corners of the internet. If you guys new to the channel, you know the rules. Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. And if you enjoyed this tip, smash that like button and share it with your friends who also might have some computers gremlins. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community. Why not? Let's dive in. Alright, before jumping into the commands, let's quickly talk about what Nmap is. Nmap is a short for Network Mapper. It's an open source tool used for network discovery and security auditing. It's like a Swiss Army knife for network administrators and ethical hackers. So let's jump into the terminal. We will start with a basic one and then we're going to increase the... This is the straightforward way to use Nmap and get the information about the target host. Let's run. That's a lot of ports. As you can see guys, Nmap quickly scans the target and lists the open ports along with the services running on them. This is a good starting point for any network analysis. Next we have the ping scan. This is useful when you want to see which hosts are up and running in a network without scanning any ports. Let's try this out. As you can see, the result says there is one host up. But here is the cool part. If you want to discover all devices or all IP addresses that are on the same network, all you have to do is slash and specify the range that you want, /16, 24, depends on your needs. Let's give it a time. And here you go. See how it quickly tells us which hosts are up? This can save you a lot of time when you're dealing with a large network. So basically what this command does, it sends ICMP echo request to the specified IP addresses of the range. If a host responds, that means it's alive. Next, let's talk about service version detection. As usual, Nmap -s uppercase V and specify our target. This command helps you identify the version of services on the running ports. By adding the SV flag, Nmap probes open ports to determine the version of the services. This is crucial for identifying potential vulnerability. Let's see it in action. Stay hydrated. Look at that. Now we have detailed information about the versions of the service running on the target. This is incredibly useful for vulnerability assessment. Now let's detect the operating system of the target. Knowing the OS can help you tailor your attacks and defenses. Nmap -uppercase O and target's IP address. So let's understand what's going on. -O flag enables OS detections. Nmap sends a series of UDP and TCP packets to the target and analyzes the response to guess what operating system is using. Cool, right? Let's give it a try. Oh, we need sudo. Let's go. Nice. As you can see, it gives us some juicy information here, the device type, and which operating system is running. Pretty cool, right? Nmap often can give you a guess of the operating system running on the target's machine. This adds another layer of information to your reconnaissance. Now let's talk about the aggressive mode, which is my favorite command. It's a powerful option when you need a comprehensive data fast. Nmap -a and specify the target IP address. This little beautiful command -a flag combines OS detection, version detection, trace route, script scanning, all in one command. Amazing, right? Let's see what it looks like. And here you go. Look at the wealth of information. Open ports, versions, everything you need. If we start talking about all of this information, we need another hour. The aggressive scan provides us with a wealth of information, making it valuable for thought-of network assessment. But as I mentioned before, just remember, it's called aggressive for a reason. It can be quite loud and noticeable on the network. It is nice, but you have to know the right time to use it. Sometimes you only want to scan a specific range of ports instead of all of them. For example, I want to scan from port 1 to 1000. I'll say 1-1000 and our IP address. So what's this command gonna do? It will scan only the first 1000 ports on the target. It's a good way to narrow down your scan and save time. See how it quickly scans just the specified ports? This is perfect when you know which ports are you interested in. Next, unlike the aggressive mode, we have Stealth Scan, also known as SYN Scan. This is a more clever way of scanning, making it less likely to be detected by a firewall. Nmap S uppercase S and the target's IP address. So the SS flag initiates a stealth scan by sending SYN packet and analyzing the response without completing the TCP handshake. If you know how TCP works, first the device sends a SYN to the server and then the server responds back with a SYN ACK. In the third phase, the device responds back with an ACK. This process establishes the network connection. Now let's see how stealth scan works. Here's the command. Boom. Let's see that. Okay, stop. For TCP. This is how it discovers ports. It sends a SYN request and then it receives a SYN ACK. That means I'm here. Okay. And then what Nmap says, it says, okay, never mind. It doesn't respond with the ACK. But you see how it still provides useful information without triggering any alarms. This is why it's the favorite among pen testers. Next is the UDP scan. Nmap, SU, and target's IP. So the SU flag initiates a scan of UDP ports. But keep in mind, UDP scans can be slower and less reliable due to the nature of the protocol. Let's give it a try. Okay, again. UDP scan can be tricky, but it's essential for a comprehensive security assessment. Just be patient with this one. Now, let's get into scripting scanning. Nmap comes with a powerful scripting engine that allows for more detailed scans using various scripts. I'll try to cover some of them, but if you want to get more familiar with them, just nmap-help. As you can see, all these are scripts. So go and try them. You can learn only by trying, but let me cover some of them. Nmap. So this flag uses default script to gather additional information. This script can detect vulnerabilities, gather more detailed service information, and more. Let's check it out. Alright, here is the result. It's kinda like the aggressive mode, but it gives you more information. So basically scripts add a whole new level of depth to your scan. And last but not least, let's talk about saving your scan result. Nmap allows you to output results in different formats. So this command saves you the output in a readable format. Let's try to find cats and boom, here you go. And that was it. Saving your scans result is crucial for documentation and further analysis. And always remember to store your findings securely. So that wraps up our Nmap tutorial, and there is always more to learn out there. So go try this command yourself so you can learn more and understand better.